Atlas has 13-plus documented anomalies that defy natural explanation. This series covers them all before Atlas makes its closest approach to Earth on December 19th. Each episode breaks down specific mysteries that have scientists questioning everything we thought we knew about interstellar visitors. By the end, you'll understand why this changes everything. Subscribe to follow the complete series before Christmas. Previously on the Atlas Files, trajectory odds in the trillions, chemistry that doesn't match natural comets. Now the structure that broke the rules of physics. The anti-tail shouldn't exist. Radiation pressure from the sun pushes material away from stars. Solar wind blows gas and dust backward. Every comet in history develops tails pointing away from the sun because physics demands it. Atlas points toward the sun, maintaining this impossible geometry before and after perihelion. The Hubble Space Telescope captured Atlas on July 21, 2025, while approaching the sun. The image showed a teardrop-shaped glow with extension toward the solar disk. November 30th, Hubble photographed Atlas again after perihelion passage as it moved away from the sun. The teardrop still pointed toward the sun. The anti-tail apparently reversed direction relative to Atlas's motion. It always points sunward, irrespective of which direction Atlas travels. The structure extends 60,000 kilometers toward the sun, matching exactly what Avi Loeb predicted in his theoretical paper about a swarm of objects displaced by Atlas's non-gravitational acceleration. Here's the physics. Atlas accelerates away from the sun at 0.0002 times solar gravity. Objects that don't share that acceleration fall slightly closer to the sun relative to Atlas's position. Energy conservation equations dictate they should be displaced sunward by approximately 60,000 kilometers at Atlas's current distance. Hubble measured 60,000 kilometers. Perfect agreement between prediction and observation. But the swarm isn't small. Loeb calculates approximately 1 trillion objects, each macroscopic and solid, carrying only 0.1% of Atlas's mass but presenting combined surface area 100 times larger than Atlas itself. That massive surface area reflects 99% of the sunlight in the glow around Atlas. Only 1% comes from the nucleus. Here's the smoking gun. These objects don't evaporate. Normal comet material sublimates under solar heating. Ice turns to gas. Dust disperses. The anti-tail configuration has remained stable across months of travel through varying solar distances. Natural debris should sublimate and disappear. These objects maintain integrity and formation. The anti-tail pointed toward the sun while approaching. Still points toward the sun while receding. The geometry stays consistent. The swarm holds formation. The displacement matches theoretical predictions derived from measured acceleration. And the trillion objects don't behave like ice or dust. Why it matters. Material pointing toward the sun violates radiation pressure physics unless it's a swarm of non-evaporating objects positioned by mechanical forces, not thermal sublimation. Drop a comment. What do you think the trillion objects actually are? Rocky fragments from interstellar space, or something designed not to evaporate? Next up in the Atlas Files, the jet enigma, X patterns, perpendicular outflows, and the 16-hour heartbeat that challenges rotation theory. Watch the playlist, Atlas Anomalies.